Managing Xero when running a business doesn't have to be complicated. Whether you're just starting out or have been managing finances for a while, Xero is a tool that simplifies the accounting process, allowing you to focus more on growing your business. In this quick guide, we'll break down everything you need to know to start using Xero effectively. First, let's talk about Xero's dashboard. When you log in, you're greeted with a clear and user-friendly interface that shows you an overview of your financial situation. This includes your cash flow, recent transactions, and key figures like profit and loss. Everything is right in front of you, making it easy to stay on top of your business's finances. One of the most powerful features of Xero is its bank feeds. By connecting your business bank account directly to Xero, your transactions are automatically imported and categorized. This saves you a ton of time and reduces errors, as you won't need to manually enter each transaction. It's especially useful for businesses with lots of transactions, as it keeps everything updated in real time. Speaking of transactions, let's dive into how to manage them in Xero. With Xero, you can easily record sales and expenses. Whether you're invoicing clients or paying suppliers, Xero helps you manage everything in one place. You can create professional invoices and send them directly to clients with just a few clicks. Plus, Xero automatically tracks overdue invoices, so you'll always know what's pending and what needs your attention. For expenses, Xero allows you to upload receipts directly from your phone, making it simple to keep track of every purchase, no matter where you are. You can also create recurring expenses, like monthly subscriptions, which helps streamline your bookkeeping process. This feature is a game changer for small businesses or startups that are on the go. Now let's talk about reporting. Xero offers a wide range of customizable reports to give you insights into your business. You can pull up detailed profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and tax reports with just a few clicks. These reports not only give you a better understanding of where your business stands financially, but they also help you make more informed decisions moving forward. Another great feature of Xero is its ability to manage multiple users. If you have a team or an accountant, you can give them access to certain areas of your account. Xero allows you to set permissions so you can control what each user sees and does within the software. This is particularly helpful for businesses that need to collaborate while maintaining security. Xero also integrates seamlessly with a variety of third-party apps. Whether you need project management tools, inventory systems, or payment processes, Xero has you covered with its extensive list of integrations. This means you can connect all your business tools in one place and make sure everything is working together smoothly. If you're new to Xero, don't worry about getting overwhelmed. Xero's support resources are incredibly helpful. From video tutorials to live chat support, you'll find everything you need to get started. And if you want to take it a step further, there are plenty of expert accountants and bookkeepers who specialize in Xero and can help you optimize your system. By the way, you can start using Xero completely free through the first link below, and we even have exclusive bonuses to help you get started. But before we wrap up, I want to leave you with one final tip. Make sure to take full advantage of Xero's automation features. For instance, you can set up automatic invoice reminders and recurring billing, which will save you time and reduce the chances of late payments. This can really make managing your business finances much more efficient. In summary, managing Xero when running a business is all about leveraging its powerful tools and staying organized. The software's ease of use, coupled with its extensive features, makes it an ideal choice for any business owner looking to streamline their accounting process. Don't forget to check out the link below for your extended free trial and start simplifying your business finances today.